I'm back with another best products of the entire year video, except this year I decided to spice things up and also share the worst of the worst products that were a complete waste of money. So links and further information about everything I discuss are going to be down in the description box, which YouTube kind of makes it hard to find now. You have to just click on the title of the video and all the links will be there. With all of that said, let's get started with the home favorites of the year. We're going to start with one. It's going to seem random, but it is this glass splatter guard. So I came across some research showing the amount of microplastics you are exposed to by heating your food in plastic, including microwave meals. It's astronomical. Just reheating your food one time in the microwave in a plastic container is the equivalent of drinking water out of a plastic water bottle for 25 years. And look, I know everything has plastic in it, but there are certain things that are worse than others, okay? And microwaving plastic is at the very top of that list. So I transfer anything I need to microwave onto a ceramic plate, and then I use this splatter guard. This is glass and then medical grade silicone. This one I like because when not in use, and it's just so much better for you, for your kids, for your family. So love this. And then kind of along those same lines, the second biggest offender of microplastics are tea bags. The tea bags in the hot water is basically you're drinking microplastic water. So if you are a tea lover, which I very much am, this is a genius invention. This is new. It is a stainless steel tea strainer and a scoop. Scoop it, close it down, and then you put it in your cup, you brew your tea, and this one, you just hang it right here on the loose leaf tea. This right here is my favorite tea. This is my end of the night treat to myself. It is nutty almond cream, cinnamon almond herbal tea, so caffeine free, tastes like dessert. It is this most beautiful baby pink color, and that is randomly also one of my favorite things of the year. I am so into all things baby pink because in my mind, I'm living my Barbie dream life. I just feel so cute and feminine when I'm wearing baby pink, and now I just got started and I can't be stopped, you guys. Now, next home favorite. This is a laundry scent booster that has better ingredients, non-toxic. This is the sweet ash scent. This one smells like a sexy man, and I don't have a sexy man here, so this is the closest that I'm gonna get. And a little goes a long way. Like, look how little I've used. I just do like 1 or 2 little squirts in with my fragrance-free, non-toxic laundry detergent. This is great to use on your towels, your sheets, things that you are going to just wrap around yourself and smell amazing. So if you have a hard time keeping a clean house, you get easily distracted, you dread cleaning, welcome to the club. One thing that I've done to make it easier to have my house clean is I keep these 7th generation multi-purpose cleaning wipes just for in between cleaning, like in the bathroom, the countertop, every couple of days. And these, again, are non-toxic. Oh, we cannot forget the worst in the home category, glass straws. Did you guys see or hear about the woman who ended up in the hospital because the glass straw shattered in her throat? Very bad situation. And I'm not trying to fearmonger. It's just there's better alternative straws, stainless steel, the silicone, basically anything but the glass straws. My first favorite beauty product of 2025 that blew me away, extra virgin olive oil for your skin. I saw a girl on TikTok share that she started taking 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil as a shot first thing in the morning, and it helped with everything. Her hair, her skin, her nails, her glow, and it's also just good for your overall health. There's antioxidants, it's good healthy fats. So I thought, why not try it? What do I have to lose? I mean, it sounds absolutely disgusting, which it is. And within 3 days, I kid you not, I feel incredible. Like my skin is glowing and it feels more plump and hydrated. Make sure you are getting a very high quality extra virgin organic olive oil. Do this for 1 week and report back to me. Next thing I discovered saves me a lot of money and is an amazing product. So if you know anything about self-tanning, Loving Tan is the holy grail. And I would just save this for a special occasion because it's expensive. Instead of purchasing a new one, when you run out, you get this Norvell Venetian handheld spray tan solution. This is what spray tan artists use. The solution is like $30 for 8 ounces of this. Fill this into your foaming self-tan pump, and it is just gorgeous, gorgeous color and it lasts and fades really well. So $30 for 8 ounces versus $45 for 4 ounces. And I love the color payoff. I will never go back to purchasing the Loving Tan. And actually, that's going to lead me into a worst beauty product of 2025. This is supposed to be a lymphatic drainage face brush, kind of an alternative to a gua sha. And yeah, this pretty much does nothing. I've tried it in various different ways. It's just not firm enough to really do anything. And you're better off just using your stainless steel gua sha or even your hands. Next up, my brilliant mother, who is a cosmetic chemist and has a skincare company, came out with 2 new genius products, a serum specifically to be used on your skin before you do the LED light to maximize the benefits. And it's pretty dramatic if you look at the research of how much it will amplify the results of your LED red light. So if you're doing that, you might as well put on a product beforehand that's going to amplify the results. And then she also came out with a brand new eye cream that is 4-in-1. So the 4 most research studied under eye ingredients, she put the big 4 ingredients in one product. So instead of having to layer on multiple products or spend money on multiple products, just get it all in one. So those are my 2 favorite skincare products of the year. And I do have a discount code for Vascular Skincare, which I will have in the description box. Next is a product that just launched this year, and it was created and invented by bestie Shea Whitney, and it is her 3rd layer product. And my favorite is the night oil. So this is a castor oil, magnesium oil, and frankincense. I like getting one product and having multiple benefits. So how I use this is at night on my stomach. It can help with bloating, but also for my stretch marks. And then I've been putting it on my décolletage and my neck. So the castor oil is one of the most effective hydrating oils. Then you have the magnesium oil, which helps with relaxation, with your nervous system, and just calming down at night. So it is perfect to use at night. I love it. I use it every single night. This is my 2nd or 3rd bottle now. Now in the beauty category, I'm going to talk about the single worst beauty product I purchased this entire year. And I deserve this because it is a $300 robot toothbrush. It's called the Pheno Smart Brush. So I saw this and I'm like, oh, what a hack. I can brush all of my teeth at the same time. Yeah, I'm just going to cut to the chase. This is awful. I started developing tartar on my teeth because it was not effectively cleaning my teeth. And then, as if that wasn't bad enough, I looked at it one day and I saw that there is mold growing all in it after less than 2 months. And then to get a replacement brush head for this is $60. And you're supposed to replace it every 3 months. I'm suing. My number 1 favorite beauty product of the entire year is these collagen under eye masks. I use them not just under my eyes. I use these babies everywhere. They're so affordable. They are the clear jellies with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. But how I use this is kind of to lock in my skincare and moisture. Then I realized not only are these great for under eyes, but I will put them on my nasolabial lines to lock the moisture in there. And I put one on my forehead. They feel great. They're nice and cooling and hydrating. They're so affordable. They're so good. And look, I only have like 3 left, but you better believe I have backups. Now let's get into the fun, random lifestyle best and worst, starting with this portable laptop charger. This has changed my life. As a work from home girl, I like to work from cafes where I can just switch up the ambiance, but I'm always stressed. Am I going to get an outlet? My laptop battery doesn't last that long. No, they now make portable laptop chargers specifically for your laptop. And this gives me hours and hours of my laptop without needing an outlet nearby. For me, being able to work in different environments makes me so happy, and not having to stress about an outlet. It is life-changing. This is random, but when I was in trial, my lawyer let me borrow his pen. I used the pen and I was like, I'm sorry, sir, like I need this pen. What is that? And there's no name or branding on it. So I took the pen, I opened it up, and I saw the name of it written on the actual ink cartridge, and best pen. The very thin tip, it glides. I'm a lefty. It doesn't stain my hand, and it's just so satisfying. On my Christmas gift guide this year, I shared something called the Nod Pod, which is a weighted eye mask. and you guys sold it out. It is sold out. You cannot even get your hands on them. I still needed to buy more for Christmas gifts because I'm in love with it. So I found this as an alternative. It also is infused with lavender, so it smells good, but it's the same concept, right? With the lightweight in here. It's just one of those things. It doesn't sound as good as it is in the experience once you experience it. This is really random, but if you were a cat owner, I switched over to the Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal litter. I will show you the one. It's so much better than any other litter. I've tried everything. This is so far superior to any other litter. Also, this cardigan from Amazon, I'm wearing it constantly. It's as comfortable as a robe, but I feel like I look very chic in it. And multiple people have asked me for the link in real life. Number one thing I purchased this entire year for my kids is the polymer clay kit. It is for arts and crafts, but they will sit there and do this for hours and hours. And I got into it. If you have not tried it yet, I won't shut up about it. Big win of the year for me. I now do my own hair extensions, I do my own lashes, and I do my own nails, and I have it dialed in. These nails right here are the best. I have no desire to look or try any other nails. So I do have a video coming up soon of how I do my own hair, nails, and lash extensions, the ultimate, because you know I have tried everything. So make sure you are subscribed. That video is coming in the next week or two. And now the worst product, I should say products of the entire year that I purchased that I wasted the most money on was offensively bad TikTok shop clothing. Like in general, I will not get got again because even when there's a video of the person trying on the clothing, tell me why when the clothes arrive, it is not what was shown in the video. It fits different. It looks different. The fabric is cheap. Like I should know better, but it looks so cute in the video. So with all of that said, thank you so much for watching. Links for everything are down in the description box. Just press the title of this video. It will open up the description box. Thank you for being here with me for another year, and I will see you soon with a new video.